jobs and occupations. Today, Teacher May is going to teach her students about popular occupations. Let's watch this video and see how Teacher May and students talk about careers around us.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Teacher May.
How are you today?
We're fine, thank you.
I'm sorry I'm late. May I come in? Yes, please. You may go to your place. Did you do your homework?
Yes, we did.
Let me check. Who can solve this exercise on the board? Okay, Ben, please. 6 plus 5 equals 11. Very good, Ben. Sit down, please. Okay, let's start a new lesson now. Open your book, please. Today, we'll learn about jobs and occupations. Each person has a particular job. Firstly, I have a question for you. Who can tell me about your current job? I am a student. I go to school and study new knowledge. Great, Tim. Thank you. Now I'll organize a mini game for you. Please pay attention and listen to the rules of this game. I have some cards here. There is a job on each card. I'll give you these cards and you will talk about the job on your card. Do you understand?
Yes, we do.
Excuse me, may I go out, please? I want to go to the toilet. Okay, Ben, I'll take your card to the table. Thank you, teacher. Who wants to be the first player? Tim, please. What's your job? I got the doctor card. I know this one. A doctor is a person who examines sick people. My father is a doctor too. He is a dentist. He takes care of teeth for many people, especially children. He is very busy at work. Thank you, Tim. You clearly understand this occupation. The doctor will treat the illness for you. When we feel sick, we go to the hospital to meet the doctor. Now, the next one is... Okay, Ben, stand up and tell us about your job, please. My job is a teacher. You are also a teacher, Mrs. May. A teacher is a person who teaches students knowledge and living skills. I love this career and I want to be a teacher like you. I am so happy to hear that. I have some advice for you, Ben. To become a teacher, you should study harder and improve your confidence as well. Thanks for your answer, Ben. May I ask you a question, teacher? Yes, please. I want to be a teacher in the future too. But I don't study well. I feel so sad. Don't worry, Jess. You are still too young. You have a lot of time to make an effort to be a teacher. Never give up. I always believe you, Jess. So, Jess, can you tell us about your card? It's the engineer. Sorry, teacher. I don't know too much about this job. It's okay, Jess. Who can help Jess describe this occupation? Ben, please? Yes, teacher. An engineer will design, build, or maintain engines, machines, roads, and so on. I think they work quite hard and they are strong. Are there any other opinions? Do you think that almost all engineers are male? Because this occupation requires a lot of strength. It's right, Tim. You are so intelligent. Let me introduce you to my job. Okay, Kevin, what's your job, please? My career is an architect. An architect is a person who designs beautiful houses. All architects have a knack for art. I'm a big fan of architects because they work as real artists. You're right, Kevin, but I want to add some information about this job for you. Not only drawing well, but architects are also very creative. They are able to design luxury houses for wealthy people. Okay, that is also the final card, but I feel you are still excited about this topic. Who wants to talk about your dream career? Tim, please. I love to play soccer with my friend, so I want to become a soccer player. So, what do you do to follow your dream? I think that a soccer player needs to have good health and special skills. Hence, I will do exercise every day and improve my soccer skills regularly. That's a good idea, Tim. I hope you can be a superstar. Kevin, what do you want to do when you're an adult? I want to be a scientist. I want to research everything surrounding us and learn more useful knowledge for myself. To do that, I need to study well and read many books. By the way, I also like reading books too. Very good, Kevin. When I was a child, I wanted to become a scientist like you. Now, class, are there any jobs that you want to explore? Can you describe a waiter, teacher? Of course, Kevin. When you go to a restaurant or cafe, you will be served by some people called waiters. They will ask you for the food or drink you want to have and bring them out for you. As you may know, most of the waiters are young people. They do it to earn a little money to pay for their daily fee. Thank you, teacher. Could you please talk about farmers? I want to know more about them. Could you speak louder, Jess? I'm so sorry, but I don't hear what you said correctly. I ask you to talk about what farmers work for every day. Let me see. I think that farmers have to do a lot of things during the day. In the morning, they get up early and start their workday by feeding the animals. Farmers often feed chickens, ducks, sheep, rabbits, cows, and so on. After that, they water their trees. It may take them a lot of time and energy. When the fruit is ripe, they will harvest it and sell it to the merchants. Similarly, they will sell the animals when they grow up. Besides, farmers have to protect their plants from bad weather. It seems to be a difficult task for them. This is some information about farmers' daily life. Thank you, teacher. Who has any questions for me about jobs? No, we don't. Okay, our lesson ends here. Please remember to do your homework. I'll check it in the next day. Now, you can go home. Goodbye, teacher. Bye. See you next time.